People think the financial system we live in is stable, predictable, safe. They believe the future will look like the past, a slow, controlled evolution managed by governments, banks, and institutions that claim to protect us. But that belief is fading, quietly, silently, and permanently, because something is happening right now that almost nobody understands. A shift so deep, so transformative that when people finally realize what happened, it will already be too late to catch up. This shift isn't about Bitcoin. It isn't about crypto pumps, crashes, or memes. It's about the birth of a new kind of intelligence and the death of old power. For decades, money was controlled by those who controlled information. Those who knew more earned more. Those who understood the system owned the system. And everyone else? They worked inside a game they never knew they were playing. Because for the first time in human history, knowledge is no longer locked inside the minds of the powerful. It has escaped into algorithms, neural networks, and autonomous systems that learn at a pace no human brain can match. Artificial intelligence is not a tool, a machine mind capable of absorbing the economy in real time, analyzing patterns we cannot see, and predicting movements we can't even imagine. And while most people use AI for entertainment, the wealthy are feeding it the one thing that gives it unstoppable power: financial data, market data, behavioral data, your data. Every click, every swipe, every hesitation, every fear. All of it is being used to model the future of money. Right now, AI is learning the same way a child learns to speak. But once it matures, once it becomes fully autonomous, the financial world we know will evaporate. Money itself is becoming intelligent. We are entering an era where investments adjust themselves. Portfolios rebalance automatically. Trading strategies evolve every minute. Risk management becomes self-healing. Markets react to AI before they react to humans. And yet, the biggest transformation is not happening on Wall Street. It's happening on chain. Blockchain is the nervous system. AI is the brain. And together they're creating something humanity has never experienced. An economy that runs itself, no banks, no middlemen, no permission, no gatekeepers. Just code, truth, transparency, and intelligence. But here's the twist. The revolution is not coming someday. It has already begun, right under our noses. Governments are racing to build digital currencies. Corporations are quietly adopting blockchain for settlement. AI models are being trained to detect market manipulation, fraud, and global financial instability before it happens. This new world won't reward people who follow trends. It will reward people who understand systems. Because the old system was built on trust, and the new system is built on truth. The old system was slow. The new one is instantaneous. The old system required permission. The new one requires awareness. So here's the question nobody asks. If money becomes intelligent, what happens to people who don't? In every revolution, there are three types of people: those who create it, those who adapt to it, and those who realize what happened only after it's too late. Most people will be in the third category, not because they are incapable, but because they waited. They waited for certainty. They waited for someone to explain it. They waited for the right time. And in finance, waiting is the most expensive decision you can make. But here's the opportunity, the part only a few people will understand. You don't need to be a programmer. You don't need technical knowledge. You don't need insider information. You just need curiosity and consistency. If you spend 15 minutes a day learning how money works, real money, not the one in your bank account, you will see patterns others can't. If you explore blockchain even at a basic level, you'll understand freedoms others don't even know exist. If you use AI tools not for entertainment, but for strategy, you will be ahead of 99% of the world. Because the future belongs to people who don't fear technology, but use it. In 10 years, AI-driven portfolios will manage themselves. Digital identities will secure your assets. Your personal AI will negotiate, invest, and protect your financial life automatically. And the gap between those who understand this and those who don't will be the largest wealth gap in human history. This is not optimism. This is not hype. This is mathematical inevitability. Money flows toward intelligence, always, in every era. The question is, when money becomes intelligent, will you? If you want the truth, the real truth, it's this. We are not entering a new financial era. We are entering a new human era. The people who embrace it will rise. The people who ignore it will struggle. And the people who wait will wonder why they never took action. The revolution has already chosen its direction. Now it's choosing its participants. If you're ready to step into that future, subscribe to Money Flow, because this isn't just a channel. It's your first step into the new world, a world where knowledge becomes wealth and awareness becomes power.